my name is Michael Russell, and I'm going to talk about unobtainium. Hi, my name is Michael Russell, and welcome to my presentation on unobtainium. Hi, my name is Michael Russell, and welcome to my presentation on unobtainium. Hey, Michael Russell, unobtainium. It's a cool element, yeah. It's really cool. It's hard to spell. Now you can. It's got some slides, cool pictures. Oh yeah. It's pretty sweet. And look, you can't buy it on Amazon yet. Hi, my name's Michael Russell, and this presentation is going to be on unobtainium.